There's something about this time of winter where things feel quieter, slower. The holidays are behind us, but spring still feels far away. And instead of rushing into new routines, I've been focusing on gently resetting our rhythms, one small space at a time. Today, I'm doing a gentle winter home refresh by putting away some of our Christmas decorations. Not all at once and not perfectly, just enough to make space for the season we're in now. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found your way here. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my home. I like starting with one contained area when I'm refreshing our home after Christmas. So last week, I packed up everything in the kitchen, and this week, I'm working on things in the dining room. It feels easiest to me to have a place to begin that's contained in a smaller area and gives me a hub to work out of. So, one box at a time, I've been working on packing things up, and I let the items that go in the box guide the process. So, this box included some things off the mantle in our hearth room and a few other things around the house. So, as I slowly gathered things up and packed things up, it helped me feel little by little that the home was getting a bit of a refresh. I'd already gathered some things in the dining room and they were there waiting for me, so it was the easiest place to begin. And I'm not trying to do a deep clean or overhaul anything today. This is more about closing one chapter and creating a little breathing room. This year, I was gifted this Fontanini nativity set by a dear friend who's in a season of downsizing. She collected these pieces over many years, often receiving one or two as gifts while raising her children in the 80s and 90s. Packing these away feels a little different. There's gratitude and history and a reminder that the things we love can carry stories long before they come into our homes. There are still a few rooms with Christmas decorations. Our hearth room, the tree, and a few other little nooks and crannies that still remember Christmas. And I may get to those another day. One thing I've learned is that home rhythms don't need to be completed in a single afternoon. It's okay to let the work unfold slowly. This season doesn't need new routines. It just needs gentle care. And today that looked like putting a few meaningful things away and making space for what's next. Thank you for spending a little quiet time with me today. If this video felt restful or encouraging, I'd love for you to stay a while and watch another.